Hello and welcome you all to my channel once again. In this video we are going to unbox a power bank, which is pretty basic things. So that's why the name suggests Amazon Basics. So Amazon Basics is a sub-brand of Amazon which sells the basic things as the name suggests. So we are going to unbox this particular power bank today. So what is so special about this power bank is this is labeled as 20,000 mAh and with a 20 watt of output, which is pretty good in labels, but we are putting this into a test. So one thing I like about the Amazon things is like it will come with a minimalist packaging and it won't have a very pretty unwanted details, unwanted papers and stuff. So it has very point to point instructions which is pretty clear to follow, and directly the power bank itself. Even the packaging of the power bank is good. It's not too lethargic and not too heavy. It is up to the mark, and as you can see we receive a micro USB A to type C cable, because nowadays almost 90% of the smart devices comes with the type C port. Even iPhone have to come with a type C from iPhone 15 it seems, because of EU regulations. Good for them. And as you can see the texture on the one side and the matte finish on the other side. We have purchased this power bank in the navy blue color. We also have in the black color. If you like the black color you can go with that. So we have three ports. We will talk about the ports pretty soon. If you want these details you can pause this screen to know the input and output wattage. So yeah, talking about the ports, we have three ports, one micro USB one and the normal type A port and the type C port. So the ports which are red in color is two-way ports which can either deliver and even receive the power. So if you have type C cable only, then you can charge this power bank and even get the charge from the power bank. Both the things you can do. So as you can see I have connected my Samsung phone here, and the Samsung phone have detected these as fast charger, which means it is above 18 watts. So as they mentioned, they have been outputting for 20 watts, so it is adaptable. If the phone needs 18 or 15, so it can adapt how much it is. So this is an application called Ampere. So here we can detect the milliamps, like how much we are getting through the charge. So it's a pretty basic one. It's not too much accurate, but it gives us an idea. So considering these, I have checked this power bank off the camera also, because it will require 3 to 4 hours of charging continuously. So I have charged my 2 to 3 full devices from 0 to 100. So this can last long 3 to 4 devices per se, and I like that product. And if you are on subscribed already, please consider subscribing, and thanks for watching till here. If you like the product I will leave the link in the description. Thanks for watching. See you around.